Today's video is going to be on the weather, and more specifically, what can I do and what should I wear in certain weather situations? So why don't we go ahead and take a look at that now. So the first question I have here is, what do I need to wear during rainy weather? So I have letter A here, which shows an umbrella, a rain jacket, and some rain boots. Or am I going to look and consider letter B here, which has somebody wearing some sunglasses, some flip-flops, and they're barbecuing? So which one should you wear in rainy weather? Well, yes, the answer is A. So my next question here is, what object can I use during sunny weather? So again, I've got letter A here, which shows a rain outfit. And letter B here is showing somebody wearing sunglasses. Well, there's nobody actually, and a hat. So which one best suits the situation here? The answer is B. That's right, a hat and some sunglasses. What object can I use during rainy weather? So now it's raining outside. So which object is best suited for rainy weather? Is it A, the umbrella, or letter B, flip-flops? Yes, that's right. You're going to want to use an umbrella when it's raining outside. What can I do in windy weather? So if it's a windy day outside, what do you think it's the best thing to do? Should it be A, fly a kite, or B, try raking some leaves? Yeah, I think the best thing to do would be letter A, is to fly a kite. Which picture shows I am being safe on a sunny day? So if you're going to be out in the sun for quite a while, what's the best thing to do to be safe? Letter A, put on some sunscreen. Or letter B, have an umbrella and a raincoat on a hot sunny day. Yeah, that's right. Make sure you're wearing sunscreen if you're going to be outside on a sunny day. Which picture shows I am preparing for stormy weather? So we've got a big storm coming, pretty nasty. Maybe you're not going to be able to go outside for a while. So what are you going to do to prepare for that? Are you going to A, fly a kite, or B, have some goods on hand to be prepared, a radio, some water, a first aid kit, flashlight, some money, among other things, of course. So which one shows that you're preparing for a stormy weather? That's right, letter B is what you want to do in preparing for a stormy weather. So I just want to go over some different types of clothing you wear in the weather and how to prepare for certain situations. That'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.